Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Fidelity investment mobile app for trading. Alright, let's get straight into the video. First thing you want to do is download and install the app. So just go to the App Store for iOS devices, or go to Google Play Store for Android devices and download the Fidelity investment app, and then just install the app onto your mobile phone. And next is logging in and navigating the app. Now once you have the app downloaded, just open the app and log into your Fidelity account using your username and password, and then you can familiarize yourself with the app's navigation, including the menu, accounts, and trading screens. Now for placing trades, what you want to do is choose the account you want to trade from, such as your brokerage account or IRA, and then just enter the stock symbol, number of shares, and the order type. So that could be market order or limit order, and then just review the trade details and confirm the order. Now the types of trade that you have available, you have market order, where you can buy or sell a stock at the current market price. There's limit order, where you could buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better. There is also a stop loss order, where you can sell a stock when it falls to a specific price. And there is also a stop limit order, where you can buy or sell a stock when it reaches a specified price. Now when it comes to monitoring your trade, there are a couple of things to take note of. The first is to monitor your account activity, including trades, balances, and positions. You can do all of that on the mobile app. You can also track your orders. You can view the status of your order, including pending and executed trades. Now, additional features on the app include real-time quotes and charts. So you can access real-time quotes and charts for stocks, options, and other securities. There's also news and research, so you can stay up to date with market news and research reports from top firms. There's also alerts and notifications, so you can set up custom alerts and notifications for market events, trades, and account activity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Fidelity investment mobile apps for trading. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.